In this video, I'll show you how to turn on watch history on YouTube. This video is really for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. And if your YouTube watch history is currently turned off and you love to turn it on, what you need to do, open up your YouTube, click on this, click on these settings, click on manage all history. So wait for it to open up. So what you need to do now, you need to click on saving your YouTube history. So click on it. So if your history is currently turned off, you can come on here and click on turn on to turn it on. So ours is currently showing the turn off because it's currently turned on. So but if it's currently turned off, it's going to be showing the turn on. So if you click on this turn on here from this option, you can be able to turn on your watch history on YouTube. And once it is on, you can be able to view the videos you just watched here on YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.